Buddy, it's very snowy out right now, so it's the perfect time to read books about winter and snow. So this book is called Grandmother Winter. It looks like there's a cabin and some snowflakes falling. So let's see what happens in this book. Ooh, this is a cool picture. The goose flying over. Let's see. Grandmother Winter lives all alone with her snow-white flock of geese. Oh, there she is by the pond and all the geese. That's some cool art in this book. All spring, Grandmother herds her geese as they gabble and squawk, honk and hiss, flapping a storm of feathers. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of geese. All throughout the summer, Grandmother gathers the feathers, soft as snowflakes, bright as a winter moon. Ooh, what she's gathering those feathers for? We'll have to see. Come autumn, Grandmother sews on her quilt, stitch by stitch, stuffing it full of feathers. Ooh, look at how big that quilt is. That would be a cozy blanket. That's what she's using the feathers for. When the days burn down towards the longest night, Grandmother shakes her feather quilt. Shake, shake, shake. Flake by flake, the snow begins to fall. Ooh, so that's how it snows? She shakes her magic blanket? Oh my goodness. When Grandmother shakes her quilt, shake, 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 children come running from their homes, catching snowflakes cold on their tongues. Ooh, do you ever eat snow? Grown-ups build their wood piles high and scurry for sweaters and mittens and skis. Ooh, she's shaking it over the town. Ooh, there's a cardinal and a rabbit. Ooh, and another bird. When Grandmother shakes her feather quilt, cardinals and chickadees fluff themselves up against the cold. Ooh. Snowshoe hares and weasels put on their coats of white. Ooh, so these were brown, but then they changed their fur to white. That's cool. When Grandmother shakes her feather quilt, earthworms tunnel deep into the dirt. Brown bats hang head down, bundled in blankets of wings. Ooh, there's a worm going in the ground, and all the bats in the cave there. And then look at this, what is that? Under leaves and hollow logs, morning cloak butterflies sleep. Ooh, butterflies are sleeping in the logs there. Below the milky ice of the pond, pickerel frogs and painted turtles bury themselves in the mud. Ooh, look at that turtle. He's digging a little hole for himself. There's a frog in there, too. Minnows and sunfish slowly swim. Oh, look, those people are watching them through the ice. When Grandmother shakes her feather quilt, shake, 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 bull snakes coil in old woodchuck dens. In prairie mounds and clumps of weeds, jumping mice wrap their tails around and close their eyes. Oh my goodness, all those snakes. They took someone else's burrow. And then those mice are all curled up. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. When Grandmother shakes her quilt, shake, 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 black bears yawn and burrow into hillside dens. Ooh, there's a bear going into a cave. Children pull off boots and coats, tumble into bed to be tucked in. All night they will dream of flying over the hills and making angel wings in the snow. Ooh, they're going sledding and making snow angels. Grandmother gives her feather quilt one last shake, and then blows out her candle and climbs into bed. The wind in the pine sings shush, shush. Ooh, it's time for everybody to go to bed, even Grandmother Winter. What does Grandmother Winter do then? Under her quilt, thick as a snowfall, warm as a flock of geese, Grandmother Winter sleeps, while the days drift down like feathers. And Grandmother's geese, what will they do? Heads tucked under wings, they will wait until spring, to gabble and squawk and honk and hiss, flapping a new storm of feathers. Well, that was cool. You think that's true? That an old lady shakes a blanket full of snow? Alright, here's another book. This one's called Snow Song. Looks like 3 kids are playing in the snow. So we'll have to see what this book is about. Fine pearls of snow, then a twirl of snow, around the eaves a curl of snow. Ooh, it looks like a whole city and it's snowing. Through black thread trees swirls the snow. The winter wind unfurls the snow. Ooh, it's a rhyming book. Got girls walking through the woods. A long white, glittering lash of snow. Faster, 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 snow. Ooh, now she's on the ice. Oh, she better be careful. The sky's unraveling into snow. Ooh, you can kind of see the sun. These pages like to stick together. There we go. The pond is lathering up with snow. Ooh, they're going to ice skate. Ooh, now they're sledding. The hills are knitted caps of snow. Ooh, they look like little hats. These kids better wear hats. Their ears are going to get cold. Glittery, skittery, tickle me, snow. What? Does snow tickle you? Slow, the world is swaddled, snug in snow. Time to dawdle, says the snow. Ooh, they can see their breath. You ever do that when you're outside and it's cold? Makes it foggy. We waddle through the creamy snow. Ooh, waddle like a penguin. So soft the snow, froths the snow, upon the trees and spangled streams, up to my knees. A good thing they got their snow boots on. Oh my goodness. If it's up to your knees, that's a lot of snow. Shimmer and flow. I love the snow. I love the snow. Oh, come on, pages. There we go. Oh, now she's back in her room. Above the snow, one pearl of snow. That's not snow, that's the moon. The moon aglow. Unworldly, kindly shining snow. Ooh, that moon's gonna light up the snowflakes as they fall. And all the stars, bright falling stars, are made of snow. Ooh, that was a pretty book. I'm sure you could sing along to this if you wanted. You could make up your own music and sing the rhyming words. Alright guys, we're having coding club next week and the week after. And don't forget to check in and see what we're doing next, alright? See you later!